For those looking for a little more room than a light sport airplane can offer, or a modern and capable instrument platform, the Cessna 172 is the plane of choice. Cessna 172 Skyhawk rentals and training at Chesapeake Sport Pilot are the best in the area. Our 180 horsepower upgraded 172 N and P Cessnas are the most capable models of the Cessna 172 Skyhawk series, boasting true four-person capability. First rolling off the line in 1956, the Cessna Skyhawk has become the most successful light airplane in history thanks to its roomy design, good performance, and docile handling. Our 172s maintain all of these qualities while featuring the simplicity of round gauges and the most modern Garmin IFR GPS on the market, the touchscreen GTN 750 with ADS-B traffic and weather and iPad interface. Chesapeake Sport Pilot offers our Cessna 172s for rent as well as for primary and instrument training. Additionally, primary students can train on our Cessna 172s towards either a recreational or private pilot certificate. We also offer unlimited time block booking of our Cessna 172s for pilots participating in public benefit flying for charities such as Angel Flight and Pilots in Paws.